7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. This is the unboxing of a gadget which I bought for YouTubing. It's a clip-on microphone from Boya and the model is BY-M1. You can find the product link in the video description. So it's a genuine piece. This microphone has got a cable of over 3 meters, which is really useful. So the MRP is around 3000, but we can get it for under $1000 from Amazon or Flipkart. So let's check the package. Okay, it has got a nice pouch and here is the manual. So let's quickly go through it. It has got a power pack for using with cameras. Then a clip for attaching to your clothes. It includes a button cell for additional power. So the specifications in detail. Here is the microphone and some accessories. The 1/4 inch adapter, lapel clip, foam windscreen, and the button cell for the power pack. So this is the power pack, which can also be clipped onto your clothes or belt. You need to insert the battery and switch it on for using with devices like camera. However, it must be turned off for using the mic with smartphones. Now putting the windscreen foam. Attaching the lapel clip. So everything is set. Testing it for the first time. Hi, it's Raj. I am testing the Boya BY-M1 Universal Lavalier microphone. While testing, I found that the stock camera apps were not able to record from an external mic. However, most sound recording apps were able to do it. For recording a video with this external mic as audio source, the only camera app I found suitable was Cinema FE or Cinema FE Lite. So that's it. Hope the video was useful. Thank you.